Hello again. So I am back for math. We are going to take our test today. So we've been working really hard on two-dimensional shapes, equal parts, and getting a little bit into fractions as far as how many parts are shaded in, how many equal parts. So our test today is going to be all about that. We need to do our little chant before we do our test, but you need your test. I sent it home with you. So it just says chapter test form 2A. Down at the very bottom is the only place that it tells you that it's chapter 9. So you just need to make sure you have the right page. It's page 222. So I'm going to go ahead and read the test just like we would in class. And I'm going to go through it. You're going to fill in the answers for me, and then your parents will need to send all 4 pages to me in our test today. Okay? But before we start our test, we always do our chant. And right now, even though I don't know if we'll go back to school or not, this would be our number 4th test in a row with that 75% or better. And if we reach our goal for this one and the next one, somehow, some way, I will try and get you guys something, whether we're in school or not in school or at the beginning of next year or something. Okay? So this one is our chapter test for chapter 9. I still want you guys to know that I'm keeping up with your incentive. Okay? So first, let's do our chant. So remember, it's do your best and rock this test. So ready? You're going to do it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do your best and rock this test. All right, I know you guys are going to do a good job. All right, so here it says, what is the name of this shape? So you're going to circle the correct answer. So what is the name of this shape on number 1? Is it a rectangle, a trapezoid, a triangle, or a square? So just circle the correct answer. Which one is that? A rectangle, a trapezoid, a triangle, or a square? Okay, go over to number 2. So it says, how many sides does this shape have? So it's a trapezoid. How many shapes, or how many sides, sorry, does this shape have? Does it have 0, 2, 4, or 6? So just count the sides. How many sides does it have? 0, 2, 4, or 6? All right, let's look at number 3. It says, how many sides and vertices does the square have? So now we're talking both sides and corners, because remember, vertices are corners. So does it have 3 sides and 3 vertices? Does it have 3 sides and 4 vertices? Does it have 4 sides and 4 vertices? Or does it have 0 sides and 0 vertices? So what does my square have? I'll read them one more time. 3 sides and 3 vertices, 3 sides and 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 vertices, or 0 sides and 0 vertices. So what does my square have? How many sides? How many vertices? Okay, let's look at number 4. Same question. How many sides and vertices does a circle have? So here's my circle. Does it have 2 sides and 2 vertices, 4 sides and 4 vertices, 3 sides and 3 vertices, or 0 sides and 0 vertices? So circle your answer. 2 sides and 2 vertices, 4 sides and 4 vertices, 3 sides and 3 vertices, or 0 sides and 0 vertices. Okay, go ahead and turn your page. When you turn your page, you're going to come to this page, which says Chapter Test Form 3A. That's not where we want to be. I want you to take your whole entire packet and flip it over. Now it's going to say Chapter Test Form 2A Continued. Okay, and it says 223, excuse me. Okay, get my book because it's easier for me to hold it that way. All right, so let's look at number 5. So it says circle the 2 shapes that were used to make this rectangle. So to make this rectangle, did they use 2 trapezoids or 2 squares? So what did they use? 2 trapezoids or 2 squares in order to make the rectangle? Okay, 6. Carlos put together the 3 shapes shown. Circle the new shape that he made. So he used 3 triangles to make this shape, the big shape. What shape is that? Is it a trapezoid or is it a circle? So if I use 3 triangles, what shape do I create? A trapezoid or a circle? All right, number 7. It says circle the shape that shows 2 equal parts. So does the square show 2 equal parts or does my triangle show 2 equal parts? Circle the one that shows 2 equal parts. Okay, number 8, it says how many parts are shaded? So remember, our first number is how many parts are shaded. Our second part is how many equal parts are there. So how many parts are shaded? How many equal parts are there altogether? Okay, you're going to just take your page and flip the whole thing over. So we're not turning any pages, just flip it. You should come to chapter test form 3A, and down at the bottom it's going to say page 226. Okay, so number 1, it just says circle the name of this shape. So is it a triangle or is it a square? So what is this shape? Is it a triangle or a square? Okay, number 2 says how many sides and vertices does this shape have? So I have a rectangle. How many sides does it have? How many vertices does it have? So you need to fill that in. Okay, number 3 is the same thing. Write how many sides and vertices the circle has. So how many sides, how many vertices does my circle have? All right, here it says circle the 2-dimensional shape that this object looks like. So what shape is this? Is it a trapezoid or a rectangle? So circle which one it is. Is it a trapezoid or a rectangle? All right, number 5, it says which shape below has 3 sides and 3 vertices? Circle the name. I don't care if you circle the whole thing or just the name, it's up to you. I just want you to circle the one that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. All right, we're going to turn our page. We'll come back to the beginning. We've already done that page. So we're going to flip the whole packet over to the back, and you're going to be on page 227. Okay, on number 6, it says Abby made a new shape by putting 3 triangles together. Circle this shape she made. So here's my 3 triangles. What big shape did she create? A trapezoid or a triangle? So circle which one she made. Number 7, it says Carol made a new shape. Circle the shapes Carol used to make this new shape. So she made this shape here, which is a hexagon. Okay, now which shapes did she use on the inside to create that hexagon? Did she use triangles or did she use circles? So circle what she used to make the hexagon. Triangles or circles. Okay, number 8, it says Brandon saw a shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Did Brandon see a circle, a triangle, or a square? So think about that. Brandon saw a shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Did Brandon see a circle, a triangle, or a square? You need to write the shape that he saw on the line. So you're either going to write circle, triangle, or square. Which one has 3 sides and 3 vertices? Okay, number 9. It says Donna drew a shape with 0 sides and 0 vertices. Did Donna draw a circle, a triangle, or a square? So it has 0 sides, 0 vertices. So did she draw a circle, a triangle, or a square? Again, you need to write the shape that she drew on the line. So write the word, either circle, triangle, or square. All right, number 10. It says circle the pattern blocks used to make this shape. So they made this triangle. What 2 two-dimensional shapes did they use in order to create this shape. Okay, last one, number 11. All it says is draw lines to show 4 equal parts. So you need to draw lines to show 4 equal parts in my square. All right, so that's all we have for today's math, is just the test. So as long as you are finished up with the test, you're going to have your parents just take pictures of it for me and send it over. All right, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you again on Tuesday. I almost said Monday, but not Monday, on Tuesday. Okay, so have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. All right, bye.